Jenny from Killer Ink, and today we're having a look at the Dragonhawk Masked Archer Wireless Tattoo Pen. Dragonhawk machines represent a great opportunity for artists to pick up a high-quality machine at apprentice-friendly prices. And the sci-fi looking pen style Masked Archer is no different, with its sturdy design and high-powered action. So, let's take a closer look. The Masked Archer is built around a direct drive motor with no give, working with surprisingly low levels of vibration and sound thanks to the advanced gear system. The 5 to 12 volt range is suitable for most types of tattoo work, and voltage can be adjusted in 0.1 volt increments for up to 8 hours of working time after just 2 hours on charge. This 12 volt lithium battery is charged by USB-C with a port on the very top of the battery pack and the cable included with your Archer. Most adjustments on the Masked Archer are performed with the 3 buttons that sit just under the circular LCD screen. Up and down buttons adjust your voltage, or the slightly larger power button turns your machine on and off. This screen is great for preventing your machine from rolling off the table. The Masked Archer's stroke length is fixed, but you can choose between 3.5 or 4.2mm stroke lengths. 3.5 is a pretty all-round stroke length that's great for apprentices, or for anyone who wants one machine to handle everything. 4.2 is best at lining and pushing larger cartridges, but it will be much more important to carefully adjust your needle depth, which can be done easily by turning the machine grip. The standard machine grip has the same 32mm diameter as the battery pack, with a gradient of divot sizes to make for a comfortable handhold. Also included in the box are 2 disposable grips that enable you to try out some different sizes and weights. Switch out to the 34mm grip that weighs 31 grams, or the 32mm grip which weighs 25 grams. You can adjust your needle depth by turning the grip. This is the case with all these grip types. Plus, they all work with universal Cheyenne type cartridges. With the standard grip attached, the Masked Archer weighs 186 grams in total, and at 132mm long, it's a comfortable size, weight, and thickness for most artists. So, what are your thoughts on the Dragonhawk Masked Archer? Would you opt for the 3.5 or the 4.2mm stroke length? Make sure to let us know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.